Hello again! So we're now on our fourth episode. For today, we will be cooking kare-kare. Kare-kare is a Kapampangan dish from the Philippines. So usually, kare-kare is, we use the meat of oxtail, but there are other versions already here in the Philippines. We have, we can make beef kare-kare, we can make pork, we can make chicken, which we'll be cooking today, and we also have the crispy kare-kare. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start cooking our kare-kare.
For our ingredients, we're gonna need 1 medium-sized eggplant, 2 strings of string beans, 1 puso ng saging, 1 medium-sized onion, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 cups of water, half kilogram of chicken, 1 stalk pechay or bokchoy, and finally our Mamacita's Kare-kare mix. First, we fry our chicken just to ensure that our chicken will be cooked. Wait until the chicken is golden brown. Once the chicken is golden brown, we can remove it from our wok. We're gonna use the oil that we used when we fry the fried chicken. Now we're gonna put the garlic and the onion, and we're gonna saute it for a couple of seconds. We're gonna use the chicken oil so that the taste of the chicken will stick to our kare-kare. After sauteing the garlic and onion, we can now add our fried chicken. And then we're gonna saute our fried chicken with our garlic and onion to ensure that the taste will really stick to our kare-kare. And then after sauteing the garlic, onion, and chicken together, we are now going to add our salt and continue sauteing. After sauteing our garlic, onion, and chicken, we're now going to add our 2 cups of water and then let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. While waiting for our food to boil, let's now dissolve our kare-kare mix to a half cup of water. So you just need to pour it and then mix it and ensure that there will be no lumps left, so that when we pour it on our food, there will also be no lumps and the flavor will be rich. Now that this is already boiling, we're now going to add our dissolved Mamacita's Kare-kare mixture to our food. So we pour it gently and ensure that there will be no lumps left. After adding the mixture, we stir it for a couple of seconds and then we let this simmer again for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes and it's already simmering, we can now add our medium-sized sliced eggplant. And then we let our eggplant cook for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we can now add our string beans. Once we've added our string beans, we can again let this simmer for about 2 minutes for our string beans to get cooked. 2 minutes, we can now add our puso ng saging. So this is a vegetable also from a banana tree. After adding our puso ng saging, we can now add our ground black pepper. We stir it a little bit and clean the lumps on the side of our wok. After adding that, we can now let this simmer for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we can now add our pechay or bokchoy, and we're just gonna wait for this to simmer again for only a minute, just so not to overcook our bokchoy. And now that our kare-kare is already cooked, we can now transfer it to a small bowl and prepare for serving.
Now we already have our kare-kare. This is best partner with a hot steamed rice. So, I hope you enjoyed our recipe for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Remember, our ingredients are available at Philippine Asia Variety Store. Philippine Asia Variety Store, your source for Asian flavors. Thank you and see you again!